Welcome to Modern Living with Kat. We are in a gorgeous apartment in the 6th Arrondissement of Paris. This is actually my old neighborhood. I love this area so much. We are in Saint-Germain-des-Prés, one of the best areas of the city, right by the Luxembourg Gardens. The infamous Les Deux Magots, some of Hemingway's haunts, are right down the street, and you also have incredible shopping on Boulevard Saint-Germain right outside your door. This is a gorgeous apartment with tons of antique and typically French details like the patisserie molding on the ceilings. You have these gorgeous mantels throughout the apartment. It has beautiful windows, original hardwood floors, and it has modern details such as air conditioning and an elevator that can actually fit more than one person, which is pretty rare in Paris. You actually also have a laundry room in this unit, which is another thing that is very, very rare. It's available furnished, and it features 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and lots of living space. It's listed with Miranda Jankowitz of Paris Property Group, and we would love to give you more information. So please reach out, like, comment, and follow along for more information.